Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm back at Walgreens doing deals that you can do from the 16th to the 22nd of July, 2023. The first deal that I'm going to pick up is the promotion on the Dove body wash. This week, they are on sale for $7, and when you buy two, you're going to get a $4 register reward. This deal is good for both the women's and the men's body wash. I'm going to go ahead and pick up two of the Dove Women's Body Wash. I have a digital coupon for $7 off two, which will leave me to pay $7, getting back a $4 register reward, final cost $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I'm going to pick up is on the Febreze fabric spray. This week they are on sale, $3.29. When you buy three, you're going to get back a $2 register reward. Now, I will be picking up three of the fabric sprays. However, you can pick up two fabric sprays and one Febreze plug to lower your out-of-pocket if you still have your $2.30 digital coupon. I do, but I have enough of the plugs right now. Three of these fabric sprays will total me $9.87. I have a $3.30 off two digital coupon in the Walgreens app. That'll leave me to pay $6.57 out of pocket, getting back a $2 register reward. Final cost $4.57 or $1.52 each, which is pretty good for Febreze fabric spray. All right, switching cards, I'm going to go ahead and do the Dove deal again. I already broke down the math for you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick up two more of these. Then I'm going to come over here and grab three of these complete home storage bags. They are buy one at $2.79, get two free. So I'm going to grab one of the snack bags and two of the gallon freezer bags. That makes these just 93 cents each. I'm back from Walgreens, and here's everything I picked up today. I did do a curbside order for the Tampax because I was running low. They are on sale, buy one, get one half at $11.49, no rewards back. Two of these totaled me $17.24. I had a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app, and I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, which left me to pay $4.24 out of pocket, which is a great deal on 2 boxes of Tampax. This is also a great example of showing you how I like to use my Walgreens cash rewards. We don't get a lot of deals on Tampax, so when I need them, what I do is I literally just look for the best deal and I roll Walgreens cash to pay for them. So let's talk about this Dove and Febreze transaction. Now, I didn't have a weekly spend booster, but I am working towards a monthly spend booster of 3 transactions of 15, earn $10 in Walgreens cash. My subtotal for this transaction was $23.87. I used $10.30 in manufacturer's coupons, and I also rolled $10 in register rewards from last week's deals to lower my out-of-pocket. I paid $3.57 plus tax and got back $6 in register rewards. Had I not had the register rewards to roll, I would have had to pay $13.57 out of pocket, getting back $6 in register rewards, final cost $7.57, which would still be a good final cost for these items at $1.51 per item. So let's come over here and talk about my final transaction, which I did on a separate card, and it was the complete home storage bags and the Dove. My subtotal for these items was $16.79. I had a 7 off 2 coupon for the Dove in the Walgreens app, and I rolled another $5 register reward from last week's deals, which left me to pay $4.79 plus tax, and I got back $4 in register rewards, making my final cost for this transaction just 79 cents. I did want to give an update on the register reward that was printing for when you spent $20 on select P&G products, you get a $5 register reward. It does look like that is a dead deal. Unfortunately, I was going to do some P&G deals today to get that register reward, but alas. I'll just have to keep an eye out for the next P&G promotion that Walgreens has or the next rebate that P&G puts out. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It genuinely supports me and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.